something going on up there.
No, yeah,
Something going on up there, here, and down there. So many undercover police as well. Right, there's an undercover.
No, you've just punched children in the face.
You've been hanging around him all day, pissed. Do not get involved with it. It's nothing to do with you.
Welcome to the channel, everyone. We're back in Manchester, so we're going to go out, explore and show you what's happening in the city. But Piccadilly Gardens, we're just seeing about 8 officers flying down. There's been a fight apparently. Someone's getting nicked. There's loads going on. I've got an ambulance. Police have made this guy pull over.
not police, fire, ambulance.
Right.
Why are you driving through there?
Missed it all, didn't I? There's a big fight apparently, I heard. Is it?
This guy's been
So this is police just pulled this guy over in his Porsche. Undercover cops.
Guys just go through Piccadilly Gardens somehow. Police, ambulance, firefighter.
Someone's been nicked there. So yeah, we saw loads of police cars flying down.
So the search about time something happened around here in
Right.
the quarters and that. You know what I mean? I think the same thing.
What are they running for? There's everything's going on here.
He's just been let free. Oh my god. He didn't even do anything. It's because you just started running at him.
It's all going off. More coming now. I'm interested in that car back down there, you know, as well. We've got something going on up there.
No, yeah,
Something going on up there, here, and down there.
I know, yeah.
Mate, I said it when we come down, you know.
Got a video, eh?
We literally walked into the pub.
I'm going off your cap. Wait for your advantage.
Just got off the book right down the street and we've got a video.
Alright. Everything going on, innit? What's this guy?
Yo, my mum left till that guy. Yo, tell that American.
We've got another lad here getting searched by the police. I'm talking to someone over there. Some big fight's gone on. We've seen cops coming from everywhere. So many undercover police as well. Right, there's an undercover. Missed some epic fight there, didn't we?
Yeah.
So they're taking the cuffs off him. He's alright, I think he's off in it. He's buzzing now, he's gone.
No, you've just punched children in the face. What the f are you talking about, bro? Yo! I've been calm throughout this whole thing, bro. Do not play in my face. Do not, huh? Do not calm throughout this whole thing. I was calm throughout this whole thing. So do not play in my face. Mind you, my bus stop is right there. I've already told you. My bus stop is literally right there when these cars are. And the bus is not coming from the train. So what am I supposed to do now? I'm not even angry. I'm not even. Please tell this man to leave me alone. My bus stop is right there, but I would like to stay here. I'm not going to do anything. Sorry, I'm literally standing right here.
So guys, that incident you just saw there, where there was a couple of arrests. Apparently there was a mass brawl inside a kebab house, and a few young lads had been arrested. It's the usual guys who hang around on the gardens. Yeah, so that was that. Yeah, I'll tell you, come on. Come on. Alright, it's alright.
I didn't want to be on the camera.
Just stay behind us.
I mean, yeah, do you want some?
No, that's right, mate. Honestly.
Mate, a whole eyeball pilot like that.
All day breakfast.
Listen, it go tickle his hair now. Absolute donut.
Okay. Calm like that. Can't even get a hot chocolate, mate. Don't do it. I know.
Hey, it's about time though, but hey, it's about time. Bring him away.
Hey, calm, man. You're alright. We'll look after you.
Yo, hey, yeah, what you thinking of reggae notes? What we just have to start doing? So reggae notes and all that.
Didn't care about it.
Go away, chill.
Whoa,
Bro.
move away.
That's crazy, that.
Are you alright, mate?
Okay, here,
One time, that's in case of rushing me out.
I didn't tell you to go away.
Have you got a job to do? Go do your job. Go do your job. Right away, man. Right away. Go do your job. Go do your fucking job, mate. Get your cameras out and all that. That's everybody's business.
Why did you push him on the floor?
Go do your fucking business. And go. Put it on, mate. Hey.
So 18288, we'll have his number. Got your number.
Keep calm, brother. Roll that.
So Piccadilly Gardens.
Don't shut a car with down. I know. Help you out. Listen. I know you're saying it don't need all of us for one person. The more people that there are, the less force we have to use because we're trained in team restraints and team tactics. So it's not about overkill, the more of us there are, the less we have to. Bring the camera on there.
You were good. He's like one of them ones that do Manchester, isn't he?
There's about 10 of us there.
Yeah.
علي شغلها قدم هذا فيديوهات وايد كثير.
Got more room coming now. For one guy. Mad, innit?
Yeah, that's it.
So that's that, guys. He's in the van.
Tell us to stand back and move away. You move away. It's as simple as that.
No, I don't.
We're dealing with something, he's aggressive, and then you come over within close proximity. What am I supposed to think? Especially when you've been hanging around him all day pissed. Do not get involved with it, it's got nothing to do with you. Now when I get back to the nick, I have to put in what's called a use of force form. Do you want to give me your details? So I can put you on that use of force form? Or do you not want to give me your details? Huh? Okay.
So we've left that incident now. I'm in my crocodiles, Sazzy in her flip-flops, walking down Market Street at midnight on a Saturday night. Craziness. Are we ready? Out in the village, 2 AM on Sunday morning. We've got a big police presence. And then all these here. Something's gone on, don't know what. There's a bit of a disturbance. So yeah, everything's calmed down. They've not caught him. They've stood around having a meeting. Mother's meeting.
Excuse me.